Do you ever feel like no matter how much you earn, you're still struggling to get ahead? What if I told you that the key to becoming truly wealthy isn't about earning more, but about changing how you think about money? Today we're diving into 5 powerful reasons why looking poor could be the secret to becoming rich, and the 3 life-changing actions you need to start today to make that happen. Curious? Let's get into it. Understanding how different classes view money. First, let's break down how different classes perceive money. Poor see money as a means to survive. The middle class uses it for comfort, but the wealthy, they see money as a tool for creating more wealth. Take Warren Buffett, a billionaire who still lives in a modest house he bought decades ago. Why? Because he knows that money should work for you, not the other way around. The true cost of trying to look rich, trying to keep up with the Joneses, isn't just expensive. It can trap you in a cycle of debt. Imagine choosing a flashy car over a practical one, only to realize years later that you've paid thousands more in interest and maintenance. That extra money could have been invested, doubling or even tripling in value over time. The hidden toll on your mental health. But it's not just your wallet that suffers. The constant pressure to look rich can take a serious toll on your mental health. Studies show that the bigger the wealth gap in your community, the worse you'll feel. Why? Because we're wired to compare ourselves to others. And when we feel like we're falling behind, it can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. The social cost of status signaling. Surprisingly, looking rich might even backfire socially. Studies reveal that people who flaunt their wealth are often seen as less trustworthy and less likable. So instead of gaining respect, you might find yourself more isolated, focusing on what really matters. Finally, by letting go of the need to appear wealthy, you can focus on what truly matters, building real wealth and enjoying life on your terms. For every extra dollar you save, you're one step closer to financial freedom. Now that you know the secret to true wealth, it's time to take action. Start by shifting your mindset, focusing on your goals, and resisting the urge to impress others. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other content for more insights on achieving financial freedom. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest tips and strategies. Your journey to wealth starts now.